Good afternoon. Day 2 of Colombia.
Day 2.
Day 2.
This is
So
beautiful.
it's so fancy. I love it. So this is the birthday hotel. I'm gonna give the people a tour soon, but I just got here.
It's pretty.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I will give you guys a tour of the. Oh, this is the way. I'm lost already. I'm dead. Yeah, I'll give you guys a tour of the hotel later. But we're gonna go to the botanical gardens now. Bye.
See you.
Yeah, because I'm going to say chow more than
Yeah.
the other one.
Okay, what's
listening to the lady watching for what I'm listening to.
Say ciao.
But that is nice.
I know, I love the architecture of everything. It's so pretty. So our Uber. Oh yeah. Hello. Toro Flores. We made it. Made it to we made it to the museum and the gardens. So we're gonna go to the gardens first and then probably to the museum after. It's so cool. Hola. Oh, isn't this so pretty? Yeah, it's so nice. Yeah. So cute. That's a map. I love how you see the ice cream cart, but I saw a map.
It's because you can just walk around.
No, I just want to have an idea of like what's what.
It's huge.
Yeah, where are we?
We right here.
We are. Oh yeah, so which is number 20?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Okay, I guess we're just. Oh, and this part that where the thing is in the center. So we'll see when we're down further. Oh, this is so cute.
It's a big circle. Well,
This is
circle, but it is
huge. Yeah. And then we just remember to go in the center to find a little thing. Yeah, they eat very heavy. Oh, they do have ice cream. Hola. Cookies and yogurt and popsicles. Ooh, berries and banana.
Let's see what's in here. let's go right here.
Oh,
From Medellin.
Medellin, yeah.
Let's see. It says cerveza rubia tipo colch. That is definitely not a Spanish word.
Which one?
The one here.
Yeah, definitely not.
Pura
It's-
Malta. Pura Malta. Stop laughing. El exclu no el exo el anyways, no el exceso
Oh, exceso
de alcohol es perjudicial para la salud.
You're funny.
5.2%. We're gonna get tipsy. You know, when I was on the
Not
plane,
5.2%.
when I was on the plane and I asked for 2 Baileys, and I read look a small Baileys and I said 17%. I said, Jesus,
yeah,
when I go with 17%, I slept the rest of the flight. That's all I knew.
Oh my god, yo. That's not like me on my Toronto flight. Guys, so basically this place is called the Botanical Gardens of Medellin. I can't tell you where it is. You will find it if you Google it, if you're here. It's very nice. Such a chill little spot. I think it would be perfect for like if you want a low-key day. Oh, it's blocked off? Is there a way to go inside at all? Oh, that sucks. Yes, so as I was saying, it's a really chill place if you want to do something super chill. There are lots of restaurants and stuff in here. There are bars. We got a bear that's locally made in Medellin, and there are ducks around, there are iguanas. What else? It's just really nice. It's really nice.
Foliage.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Remember that video that went viral on TikTok and he squeezed up? It's giving Pandora.
I was gonna sound like Avatar.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it reminds me of.
But somebody please sign me up for Pandora. If the government had really worked on it, I'd gladly be on a guinea pig.
No, I feel like that's maybe what it reminds me of. More Pandora than Singapore. I have to be reminding myself that like I'm in Colombia, which is so crazy to me. I've been sitting on the thought of coming to Colombia for like I think over a year, and she's in Colombia, guys. As in coming Colombia solo because I wouldn't really have company to get up and go with me because I'm pretty flexible because of the nature of my job, but like everybody else that I know works a 9 to 5 or have responsibilities, so they can't really just get up and go like me, you know. But I'm so happy to be here, and I'm happy that Bikana decided to come with me just for like, even if it's just like 3-4 days or whatever, it's still nice, especially to have company the first couple days that you're in a foreign country, you know. But it's really nice and I really love it. I've loved Medellin from before I came, so it's not like I'm not surprised that I like it here because I've been in love. But being here in person, it's like even better. Like BTS books. Finally got an empanada. Well, I got 2. You say you don't really like them? So we left the gardens and we're now in a supermarket pretty close by to my hotel in El Poblado, and we're kind of just like looking what's in here, what we can buy. We kind of need to go to like a big chain supermarket so we can see what's there, what we can bring back with us. We're looking for Colombian stuff. I definitely want coffee, you guys know that already. But yeah. Oh, and I got empanadas. Morning guys, it is day 3 in Medellin and it is my birthday. I'm about to get ready to head out to a bakery to collect a cake. They didn't have the cake that I wanted. They were saying that they didn't have the capacity to decorate the cake for today, so I'm just gonna get like a regular cake with something written on it. So I'm about to head there now and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Okay, so I got my cake, brought it back to the hotel, met back up with Bacana, and now we're looking for a restaurant to get food at. There are many restaurants. Let me tell you something about Medellin. It's very overwhelming because there's literally restaurants, bars, like one after the other. So it's like trying to decide on what to eat or where to go. It's really hard here. But we decided we want to have Colombian since Bacana is leaving tonight. So anything Bacana wants, Bacana gets, period. Today's also my birthday. So yeah. Let's see what we decide. Let me show you guys the area. They say follow where the police them go.
Who love them belly more than police?
We passed by here last night. Listen, do you notice the difference between day and night?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, like we were here last night and it was packed with people. And the difference between, like, this was so packed last night, people were like filled off on the balconies and stuff. There were lines to get in. It was crazy, but they look really nice in the daytime. But we're gonna eat at the restaurant over there. Say hi. I feel like this is way better to make money than white than. Good morning, y'all. It is day, I don't know, 3 or day 4, probably day 4. I don't know, but I'm about to head out and try to find a sports bar that shows Formula One. I googled it and I saw that there's one right out on the main road from me, so I'm gonna go there. Hopefully they're showing it. The race has already started, but we will see. If they aren't showing it, I'm just gonna go and get breakfast and start my day because it was the only place that I really found. So wish me luck. About to head out. Yeah, so the place that I was gonna go to watch Formula One is closed. It's a Sunday, and I did see that they said that Sundays are a lot quieter in Colombia in general because people usually leave like the cities and stuff and go to their like families. So I'm not surprised that there are a lot of businesses that are closed. Pretty similar to Jamaica, anyways. But I ordered food, and I'm here wondering if I should get it to go. Because I kind of feel like I want to go back to the room and just relax. My feet hurt a lot because I have like my muscles and stuff are sore since the airport, because I was walking so much in the airport, and then I had the heavy bag, and then I've been walking so much in Medellin since I've been here, and my shoes pretty flat. The terrain here is very hilly, so you're definitely gonna get like a workout when you walk around here. So keep that in mind if you plan on coming. And if you're staying in El Poblado, very hilly and a lot of walking, you know. So, but I feel like I should get my food to go. I don't know. Or maybe I'll just stay here a little, eat some of my food, and then ask her to pack it up for me. I don't know, I guess. So hey y'all, I'm back in my room right now, and I'm actually trying to re-edit a vlog that I had finished. I literally finished editing this in the airport a couple days ago, that you guys would have seen in like a previous vlog, and I ended up deleting it by accident. So I'm literally like trying to re-edit this vlog right now so that I can have it up for today. I have so many vlogs to put out, and I'm really gonna have to try and like spit them out like crazy. But I'm in my room, and I'm gonna be doing that for the next hour or so, and then I'm gonna try and shoot some content for Instagram. And then I think that might be my day. I wanted today to be very chill because I've been kind of up and down for the past couple days, and I think later I might check out the rooftop. I was thinking of going to the pool today, but honestly I'm so tired, so maybe I'll reserve that for tomorrow morning before I check out. I check out at 11 or 12 o'clock, I don't remember. I'll but yeah, and then I go to my Airbnb after that, so we will see. Hey y'all, I'm back, and I'm thinking about heading to a little supermarket around the corner from my hotel to just get some stuff to snack on. Like, I don't want to get food because I ate a lot today, guys. I think I've mentioned this like probably like 3 times already, but in Colombia they eat really heavy, so the meals are very heavy. So like right now I'm not hungry, but like, and it's like after 6 right now, right? But I'm not hungry, but I know that like later in the night I might want something to like snack on, like maybe when it gets around to like 8-9 o'clock. So I'm thinking to just go around to the supermarket, kind of see what's there that I can bring back to my room and like snack on, because by that time a lot of restaurants will be closed. So, and I really don't want to go out that late anyways. I'm not in the mood. You understand? So I'm thinking I'm gonna do that before it starts getting really late. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go. This loud music, and I don't know where it's coming from. I thought it was the rooftop, but our rooftop is closed. So, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Good morning, everyone. I just finished recording some content out here on my balcony. It is so nice. Isn't it so nice? I want to go check out the rooftop pool to see if it's open, and then possibly just go up there, enjoy the pool for a little bit because I haven't used it since I've been here, and then maybe do some work up there, take my meeting up there, and then come back down to get ready to check out. So I'm gonna change into something and then head up there in a bit. Okay, so I haven't been upstairs since I've been here. I mean, I haven't been upstairs in the daytime since I've been here, so I'm intrigued. It's a really nice rooftop.
Piso 7.
This is the rooftop, guys. Hotel. The pool was so nice. Oh, it's cold though, it's so freezing. I mean, I told y'all the temperature in Medellin is not like what I expected. I thought it was gonna be warmer, but baby, it is not warm in the slightest, okay, at all. So I'm actually gonna have a shower and I'm gonna choose what I'm gonna wear today and pack up my stuff because I'm checking out. What I'm also gonna do, I brought a tote bag to separate like my, for like days that I work, like maybe at a cafe or that I need to do grocery shopping. So I'm gonna like put my laptop and stuff like that in that tote bag and then pack up my other stuff that I don't need, and then when I check out I'm gonna go to the coffee shop around the corner and leave my luggage here at the hotel until my Airbnb is ready at like 3 o'clock. So yeah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my vlog from Selvario 36. I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just got to my first Airbnb here in Medellin, so if you want to see it, wait for the next vlog, the next Colombia vlog, and I will give you guys a tour, let you know how much I paid for it, all the good stuff, and a room tour of course. So stay tuned. Bye guys.